Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So one of my subscribers asked me about the how to add product category in the cart page, which is done, and the next one is on the checkout page. Okay, so now we are going to do the checkout page part, right? And those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you finally find out that this video really help you, then please do like it, share it, and comment on that. Okay, so let's get started and resolve this query of this John David our mission. Okay, so let's see. I have already made this tutorial already, so let's have a look on that. Okay, you can see that the category is women already added on that with the with the product name that we have added the category part, right? So how we are going to do it? Let's go to the code level. So here, so we are going to add a filter with the WooCommerce checkout cart item quantity and the product description. Okay, now we are doing the same phenomena. Get the terms cart ID. We are getting the product ID over here and loop it. Then get the product categories. Okay. In the product categories, we are finding this assigning this part, and we are just rendering return this item quantity with the div description and all this stuff over here. Okay, and returning the item quantity. By doing this stuff, you were able to do that part very easily. Okay, so that's it for now, and I hope you understand what exactly we have done. So any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.